up YouTube folks, it's Hero Tutorial Fiction here, bringing you at Inazuma 11 Good Galaxy Supernova, yes! Today we're gonna actually it's tonight here anyway, today we're gonna be doing like a match against one of the teams from what do you call it? The Gordon route, which is this one here, the Inazuma Raimon Dream actually, yeah. We're going to be playing them for fun, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy this match. We're going to be using Team Blizzard. Yeah, I haven't really got my main team up actually, but yeah, hopefully you enjoy this. Yeah, 75. Let's do this match. Oh. And we're gonna get hit us with 6 for Kazamaru. Here we go, Kazamaru. Oh, they're gonna go straight for Kushi, maybe. We'll go with Hito first. The first endo will go with Margin Great. We'll go with the Wolf. Yes, we're gonna go straight for his shot. Oh, we got very lucky there. And then there's just gonna push it anyway. And get our first goal for today. Well done, Hiroto. Okay, this reminds me of the one with Kidoken Shuriken back in the original movie, and then just like blows the whistle and does Kote Pengi. Ichigo with Fudo and that. Anyway, let's continue this. Hopefully we'll be able to get Shindo. Yes! We just took it straight off Shindo. We'll go straight through here. Kazamaru. Do this. Oh! And Adult Kazamaru just took it off us. Get Oyama to take it off Adult Kazamaru. Go straight into some Scream of Eden V4. Oh, let's pack some punch for Oyama. Go. And Oyama then does his score. Yes. Nicely done by Oyama. Ah, okay, we're gonna go straight in for Adult Touching the Cards. But first he's gonna send him out Tensei Learns a Lot. We'll go straight in for Adult Touching the Cards question. Soul. Oh, so close, but that's gonna give it us. But we should be able to take it off Tsurugi. There we go. We'll go straight through here. Go past Kageyama. Oh no, Kageyama just took the ball off us. We'll go straight for a soul again. This time we'll go with Oyama's. We'll go straight in for more Scream of Eden V4. Well, I packed in some power there. And then I just carries the ball there and goes into the goal. 3-0. Which is pretty strong for our team. Like, they're only 7-5 in the main 99. They should have packed in more power against us. Which is weird, but yeah. Let's do this. Oh! And Tsurugi just, like, literally took the ball off. We took the ball off them. Pick it off Nanabana. There we go. Level up. We're going for some Supernova. Hayden just like takes it out there and we go in the goal. And hit the floor, just did it. Puts his hand on his face. I don't really like that. And apparently right now, since it's Boxing Day, we've got Boxing Day fireworks just going out from my house practically. So yeah. And Oyama just leveled up his soul. And there we go, took it straight off him. Come on, we can do this. There we go. Take it off Kageyama. Kageyama. There we go, we're gonna go straight in for some Scream of Aiden Fig Gordon. Packs in some more power again. He's going in straight for God Hand W. Oh! I packed in some power there. We're going for... Oh, no! He took the ball off us. We're grabbing the ball. We'll go in with Devil Burst Go. Yes, we have leveled up, I think. And they're gonna go straight into God Hand W. Oh god. Oh, yes! I'm gonna take the ball straight off them. But she's gonna go with, oh my god. I forgot the name of the move! Oh, Skywalk, sorry. Anyway, this is to hit up the top of the shadow standing out.